I wanted to write this one down, not because the moment was perfect, but because something about today felt different. It felt surreal, like a dream finally deciding to come true. 18th October 2025, a date I don't think I will ever forget. Because today was the day I earned my first white coat. Yo guys, welcome back. So finally done with the white coat ceremony. All the friends are there, but they're not willing, camera conscious. So finally done with the whole program and felt so good. Almost got tears because dream come true, kada. So this is the white coat from today. We are medicos. So wait. Look at that smile. You see it, right? It was there since the event started, and I was going through a ton of emotions. But the moment they placed that white coat in my hands, everything shifted. That white coat which I was dreaming of was in my hands. And as I was walking away, the coat started feeling heavy. That was a feeling that cannot be explained. It has to be experienced. Finally got the white coat. Really excited. Really looking forward to use this. And the journey actually starts from here. So let me introduce all of you to the guys. Yo guys! Excitement!
Yes, sir.
Congrats guys! Finally got our white coats, huh? So
It's in the bag.
yeah. So basically now the plan is to go to laser tag at Inorbit. There's one more gang of girls. They left already. వాళ్ళ కార్లో వెళ్ళిపోయారు. మమ్మల్ని రోడ్ మీద వదిలేశారు. Gender equality is not working here for some point. But cab book చేసుకున్నాం. It's on the way. So how was the ceremony now?
Boring. Boring. Very chilly. Lecture class. Disappointed.
Arman, how was it?
It was like a lecture.
Lecture, huh? Arey, Bhaumik. He's Arman, he's Bhaumik, he's Noel, Vidu Lokesh, and Vidu Teja, Vidu Lokesh. Yeah, so how was it? Boring, है ना? Lokesh.
Pretty cool, nice.
Hey.
Pretty cool, nice.
Teja, how was it?
Boring.
Noel?
The speeches were too long.
Yeah, to be honest, the whole process was boring, but when
Not even one single performance, dance or singing. Or
correct. But the point when they handed over the white coat to our hands, it felt really good. And yeah, the vlog changed video, but yeah, it was a goosebumps moment when they handed over our dean sir handed over the white coats to us. Really loved it and worth it for all the hard work that we went through. So I'll get into the cab and we'll do some time pass there. Yo guys, చెప్పండి, talk to the cam.
now we're on the way to laser shooter.
Yeah. Basically, just got into the cab. What's up?
And the other one also.
How's the cab journey?
ఆయనే వాళ్ళంతా హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నారు.
Rate the cab journey now. Cab journey in rate. Cab journey in rate.
నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు సారీ వీటిని రివ్యూస్ అంటారండి క్యాబ్ రివ్యూ ఓకే నైస్ వెరీ నైస్ 10 out of 10 కనపడ ఎలా ఉంది అడుగు వాళ్ళని అడుగు
అరే పాట పాడు బామయ్య.
నేను పాట పాడితే మీ అందరూ బ్లాగ్ ఆపేస్తారు
అందరూ అర్మాన్ ఎట్లుందా? అర్మాన్ క్యాబ్ ఎట్లుంది? ఐ మీన్ కట్ చేద్దాం, ఇక్కడ కట్ చేద్దాం. ఐ మీన్ yo guys, అన్నీ అమ్మాయి let's go. అరే
No.
Excited?
No. ये vlog ले.
Hey, phone rao. All get up, guys. All get up, bro. How was the game?
చాలా టైరింగ్ ఉండే నేను అందరికి దొరికిపోయాను ఇలాగా నేను ఎక్కువ చేసింది అందరికి
Yeah, but great అసలు మొత్తం తిరిగి మస్తు చింపేశాడు. చాలా బాగా ఆడాడు. అసలు నా వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుందో కూడా తెలియదు. There are people fighting in the back. Yo! We are going to Four Fathers now. Cafe కి వెళ్తున్నాం. We are done with laser tag. నేనే గెలిచా. Bro.
I came third.
No, 30 times.
My team, okay.
30 times చంపేవాడిని. Yeah, we got to go. I'll see you guys at Four Fathers. Yo guys, ready?
I got my aesthetic piece.
How is the place? Are where are we?
Marco Brew.
Marco Brew. Yeah, Marco Brew. Pedumatalli temple దగ్గర ఉన్నాం. So basically we came here for having some food and stuff. చాలా లేట్ అయిపోయింది. It is 5:40 right now. అది హాస్నిక చెయ్యి. Yo. Aira. 21. We just ordered biryani. Paneer biryani because both of them changed in their memo. So how was the biryani? We wanted rice, so we thought of going to Paradise, but then we came here. But crazy. Yo guys, so just came home, done with all the work, and after all that noise, after all that fun, just came home, washed my face and sat in silence, and that feeling of wearing a white coat is slowly sinking in. I mean, it feels really good and I feel really proud of where I was today. And yeah, I don't think I'll be expressive about this topic because I'm lacking words to speak, but there are like multiple emotions that are going on in my head. And more than that noise, more than that fun, the silence hits hard because when you know that you're gonna end the day now, you start recollecting everything you went through. And I think this is one of the proudest moments anyone can have, right? Before sleeping, everything is dark around you, and then you start like just recollecting things after such a proud and a fun day, right? And this is something that we can't express, but I mean, it is something worth experiencing. It is something worth working hard for, right? And I hope through this vlog I at least could, push a little of you guys to work a little more harder for what you're preparing, and get such experiences. And I don't write a script or something. I'm just talking directly because there's a lot of things that are actually coming out of my heart right now. So I thought I'll keep this raw, so do not mind if I keep stammering or taking pauses. So yeah, and college was so fun. I mean, it's been almost 2 weeks since college started, and it was so fun. Things happened very fast. I made some good friends, which I'm, really happy for having them in my life right now. I've made some good friends. I've met a lot of new people. I've met some amazing people. College life feels so happening. There's a lot of things happening every day. Every day feels so new, and these many days it is just like happening. We were in the process. I used to go to college, have fun. There used to be an assignment. I used to do like a lot of things before sleeping. Then I used to prepare for the next day and go to sleep. But then after so much, today when I come and sit in silence, everything starts hitting me again, and then things are sinking in slowly. Like the friends I have, the experiences we've had. It feels very, very amazing, and I feel blessed at this point, right? So yeah, I mean, I felt like a couple of hundreds of thousands of times that like why the hell was I in a position where I had to prepare without sleep, and then I felt sad about my marks. I was working hard, I was stressed, and then I used to feel bad about where I was. But then once the result, once it started showing all that hard work started showing its outcomes, then I feel every moment that I spent for this was like completely worth it. And as I say, you can't know the value of light, or you can't experience proper light unless you see darkness. So I think that is very, very true. So yeah, let me enjoy this feeling of wearing a white coat, and I still can't believe that I'm into the journey of being a doctor. I'm a medical nerve. It feels really exciting. It feels really proud. It feels really emotional for now. So let me enjoy all these emotions, and all the best, guys. Keep working hard, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, let's jump back to the cafe where I cut from. So yo guys, how was the day? How was the day? I had a lot of fun and done with the white coat ceremony as well. Professional medicos ippudu. We are official medicos now. So going back home, done for the day. See you again on Tuesday.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Let's go. Hey, good time, gatti content.
Like, share, subscribe.
Let's go. No, Chepo.
Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe. Anurag CR.
No. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next vlog. That's how I'm ending this energetic one. And thank you so much for watching it till here. I'll see you in the next one. And then good night. Take care. Bye. And that's exactly how I ended such an amazing day. So this is the beginning of a new journey. So that's it for the vlog. Do like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.